Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, I am going to show you the step-by-step process to install the SQLite database and how to export table data into Excel file. Step 1. Download the database. Download the database from this link. Okay, the file is downloaded. Step 2. Install it on your PC. Right click here to extract it, and after that run the setup file and install it. Okay, it has installed successfully. Step 3. Open the database file. So this was our database file. Right click on it and type here open with and choose another app. And here more options and look for the PC, and you will see in the program files directory DB browser for SQLite, and here choose this one. So the database file is opened, and in this tab browse data you will access your data here. And now I show you how to export this data table into Excel file. Step 1. Copy the data to an Excel file. Select all the data from here and copy it with the headers and open an empty Excel file, and in the first cell paste it. Okay, it has pasted. Step 2. Remove the empty rows. Go in the data tab and enable filters, and in the first column unselect all and select only black ones, and select them here from row numbers and delete them. Okay, remove the filters, and now the data is ready. Step 3. Format the file. Let's format the file for a better look. Select all and follow these steps. Okay, the data is imported successfully from the SQL database to this Excel file. So if you still have any questions, you can ask. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.